Well, my name's Grace Enlow. I'm a supply chain major and I'm a senior this year. Basically, Sarah asked our class to come in this semester and really analyze the process they have for the art kits they send to elementary schools. So Crystal Bridges this semester and really throughout COVID has been sending kits to elementary schools and homeschooled young children. And so we're going to go in to see what can be improved, how the kits can be built a lot more efficiently, and hopefully apply some of those CATA principles we've been learning throughout the semester as well. Yeah, Crystal Bridges has been a lot of fun. Sarah and the team here has been a lot of help. What we've really been doing is going in within while the volunteers are here, and we're balancing a lot of the lines for their kits. So right now this semester they have 5 different kits, and we are able to assemble them and prep them with the volunteers. So we're alongside them on the line, seeing exactly what their experiences are and where the waste is and how to improve them. This experience with Crystal Bridges has been a lot different than a typical classroom because we are able to be here on site, hands-on, really seeing exactly what the prep process and the assembly processes are. So when we're here actually doing the motions with them, it gives us a lot of insight on what's going wrong and the reason to why it's going wrong. So then when we are able to gather our information here and go back in the classroom, it helps us a lot to understand how to do it and how to do it better. I feel like this experience is really applicable to us as we're going out and trying to get internships, because this basically is the closest we can get to an internship within the classroom setting. So us coming out here on site, seeing exactly what's going on, and then going back to the classroom and building a whole playbook is really an experience you would get like an internship. I feel like we are a lot better prepared because we've already seen this once, we're here, we're able to get this experience, and then when we're faced with it in the real world, whether that be an internship or a job, then we're able to reference this experience and see what we did here to help analyze and improve their processes.